Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how I bleach and dye my hair and the necessary precautions and steps to take in order to prevent damage. Right here I'm just mixing together bleach powder and developer. I put my hair in sections so that it would be easier to work with. I apply the mixture through my hair from tips to roots, and I ensure to apply it to the tips first. Ensure that you have proper ventilation and wear gloves because this thing will burn your fingers. Now, I can't remember how long I left in the bleach for, probably 30 minutes, but ensure that you keep checking it to see when it has reached your desired color, and you don't want to get it too light because then it will break off. I rinsed it out first with neutralizing shampoo, then I used moisturizing shampoo, which pretty much put back all the moisture and nutrients in my hair. Also, before adding the dye, I did a protein treatment. The color that I'm using is Purple Rage by Adore, and I'm mixing it with conditioner so it's easier to distribute. After applying the dye, I'm just going to let it sit on my hair for about 45 minutes. Thanks for watching guys, please subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.